So we are
whoa, fixing to drop the camera.
Fixing to drop the vlogger.
The expensive camera.
We are gotta go to Harbor Freight.
Yeah, I was hoping to check out a Northern Tool.
Yeah,
but there's not really any.
None, and there's none in Kansas City.
There is, but on like the south side.
Oh, out of the way.
Kind of.
We're still hanging out at that Petro that we Salina, Kansas. I was not impressed with those showers. It was all right. The hard water was slimy on my skin. It didn't feel like it rinsed off. It was so the camera just stopped on us. That was weird.
This is Jason's testing out a new rig.
A new rig, and I'll throw up a picture up here somewhere what it looks like. I know. I'm always playing with different cameras we got and try to get the best stabilization in audio, but I don't know. We're just relaxing. You know, we don't have to be to Kansas until Friday. Today's tomorrow.
Let me tell you about the load. I haven't even told you about the load yet. So it's picking up in Kansas. It's going to Texas. It is, what is it? Right about 500 loaded miles. I think it's like 498 loaded miles. We are deadheading almost 500 miles to get there. So, not the greatest, but it, you know, it was that or we sit in Colorado longer. We'd already been there too many days, so.
That whole sitting at the base for.
That through,
That I hated that.
Hold.
That made me. I'm still mad at that about that.
I mean, it is what it is. That's our job, and that's what we signed up for. That unfortunately, I mean, that's what we have to do with the freight that we haul sometimes. So, you know, I'm not mad about it, and it's just, it is what it is. You know, we can't dwell on it. So,
so we decided to go ahead and get out of there. I didn't want that elevation, man. Being up that high in that, when you're from Texas. And then you've been in Colorado, that elevation messes with you. I'm telling you. That is something different.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Yeah. So we went ahead and got out of there, but you know.
So it's not the greatest of lows, but I think like we said in the last vlog is hopefully we'll get to go to GATS and check that out at least for a couple hours.
Yeah. Hopefully we can, because our delivery time is 10. GATS closes at 4. Hopefully we can deliver early and get down there. Hopefully there's parking left. I mean, it's going to be the weekend. I'm sure a lot of people will be there. We'll see. But we're going to go to Harbor Freight today, get some blankets for this next load. We've been needing to get them anyway.
And a dolly.
And a dolly. Yeah, we'll probably get a 2-wheel dolly, maybe a 4-wheeler too.
We eventually need to get a pallet jack,
Yeah. But that's what we're going to go do today.
Yeah.
Heather's doing a little editing here real quick.
We just finished filming one of the Friday videos, so I'm going to edit that on the way. I think Jason's going to drive to get to there. But,
yeah, I'll get us there.
But yeah, so let's go.
Just another boring day today. Let's go to Harbor Freight.
Yeah, let's go.
Still here, we haven't left yet. We had a subscriber come up and say hi to us. Hey, I thought that was you guys over there.
What's up?
What's up, man?
What's up, YouTube?
Tell everybody what's your name?
Eric.
And you watch the Crafty Truckers, huh?
Watch the Traffic Trucker.
The Crappy Trucker.
The Crappy
He called us
the Truckers. Woo! Go back to Canada. No.
So he just offered to buy us some Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Yum.
We can't
We're going to get some.
Of course not.
Heck no. We're going to go get
keys?
us. Yeah. Say peace, love, and Expediting.
Peace, love, and Expediting.
All right.
Yeah. can we get a pallet jack?
They're too cheap. If we're gonna spend money on a pallet jack, I want to get a good one, Crown or something. I don't want to waste our money on something like that. At least this is only 60 bucks.
For the, yeah. I mean, we knew we would need to be getting this stuff anyway. We're just getting it slowly as we need it. Door. Writing off this stuff for the truck. It's all a write-off. Mission accomplished.
Wow, what a Friday morning.
Oh my gosh. Craziness going on. So we were supposed to be picking up our load tonight in Kansas City, going to Texas to deliver tomorrow. This morning I seen a load come across as picking up Monday or Tuesday in Texas, going out to California. So I was like, sweet, this would be an awesome backup load for us. So Jason got up, called the agent, got that load booked and secured.
And 30 minutes later,
the agent for the load we're doing tonight called and says it's canceled.
it canceled.
We've already driven almost, what, 500 miles to get to, we're like 60 miles outside of Kansas City.
Yeah, 500 miles out of Colorado to get here.
Which was our choice, our decision. We knew what we were doing.
Then our load canceled.
Yeah.
Now we have to deadhead to get that Texas one.
Well, we could have canceled and told them we could have, but we're not going to do that. I mean, this is an agent. We want to, you know, it's an agent that does Texas, and of course, being that our home state, I mean, we would like to get in good with that agent, obviously. Yeah, we're still going to do that load. So we're trying to decide. I think what we're going to do is just go ahead and deadhead to Dallas, because we'd like to go to Gats. We've never been. We've been wanting to go. We were kind of planning on doing that anyway, because the load we were going to be picking up tonight delivered first thing in the morning, and then we were going to head over to Gats, because where it was delivering was just like right outside of Dallas. So we're thinking now we'll just go ahead and get on down to Dallas and at least go see Gats tomorrow. What you think?
Yeah, we're gonna head to Gats. At least we'll be able to spend Saturday there.
Yeah.
We'll probably get there late tonight by the time they close, but.
So this week turned out to be a bust.
This week's a complete bust. No paycheck next week.
Well, yeah.
But we had a really good week last week. We're gonna make next week really good.
Yeah, hopefully this week. With this load we booked for Monday, it should be a good start to the week, and hopefully we can keep that momentum going and be a good week.
Well, let's go ahead and get packed up and head down to Dallas.
Head to Dallas.
Let's go to Gats.
Let's go.